Hi there, I'm Charlie 3D, founder of CG. Today I'm going to show you how to use Laser System. So first, you go to the Laser System panel, you press Load Library button. This has to be done just one time for your project. Now, Laser System expects you to create some default meshes or collections. You can do it by yourself, or you can use this convenient tool, create default assets, and it will be done for you. So we press it. Now you will have these colliders. For now, it's just icosphere. Next, we have to configure our laser system. We want it to fire automatically. So we check this. In fire rate, I want my cube to shoot a laser every 5 frames. So here I enter 5 frames. In laser object, I'll select the laser object I created with create default assets. It's the CGP default laser. I select it. In sparkles collection, I will take the CGP sparkles. In colliders, CGP colliders. And now in light impact, it's only if you want to improve your lighting by adding a point light on the impact. It's optional. It's just if you want to improve your scene lighting. So I will take the CGP light impact, which has been created by the create default assets. For the rest, maybe laser lifetime 100 frames. And you also have this Add Direct Lighting checkbox. This is another option to greatly improve your lighting, but it's a bit more advanced, so we will see it in another video. We will let it unchecked for now, and for the other options, we are good. We just select the cube, and we press this button. You can see the tooltip on the bottom, which confirms that laser system has been added. Now, we just have to press spacebar to have our cube shooting lasers. Okay, and we can see our sparkles. Now, let's say you want to add another colliders to play with. Let me show you how easy it is to add a new collider. So, I go to the 0 frame, Shift A, plane. So I want a plane as a new collider. G, Y, R, X, 90, S. Okay, now if I press play, you can see my lasers going through my collider. It's not working. This is intended. In fact, if you look at your modifier, so select your cube, go to your modifier, you can see colliders options is set to CGP colliders collection. So it means that all of your colliders need to be inside this collection. You select your plane, M, CGP laser system, you select CGP colliders, and you go back on your timeline. Press play, and now you can see your laser colliding with the new plane. You can even move it, and you'll see your laser going to the next colliders or going back to this collider. I hope this video will help you to set up your own laser system. Feel free to ask in the comment section all the questions you may have on laser system. I'll be glad to answer you. I will see you in the next tutorial. See you soon!